Guys, this is Sean. I wanted to give you a tip of the day. I'm driving, so it'll be a little crazy. The tip of the day is always think about your business every probably 6 months to a year. How would you start it again? So if you're a brand new artist, how would you change it from where you are? So what this gets you thinking about is new tech. How would you address it as a new artist? So the tech always changes. You know, you might go from MySpace to Facebook, and then Facebook changes, and then Instagram comes out, and now it's TikTok videos. And so you want to kind of always think about how your business is going to change. So always take a refresh every 6 months and say, am I on track with this, how a new artist would do it? So always rethink your business, how you're addressing and selling your artwork. And this will really help you address, changes in the tech. Obviously, it's a pain in the butt to constantly change the tech, but if you don't, you'll fall really far behind to other artists, and clients will be like, why is this guy's website out of focus? Why isn't he advertising on Instagram and he's only on Facebook? Or you don't want to be behind that curve. It's going to make you think the client's going to have kind of a bad opinion of your business, and really you just want to make it easy as possible. Be where the client is, and that's my tip of the day.